Hello, I am Sohail. I am at your service today with you, analyzing the Dogecoin currency code. I hope I can help you a lot, so stay with me until the end of the movie. This currency code is in a situation of suffering that we can be on the seller's roof and on the buyer's floor. In these cases, we can get a lot of profits from the market, but provided that you do not have it first and be patient second. The good profit that we could get is the trend line that I drew. You can see that after the break of this line, we had a downward trend. And in the pullback of this currency, we could enter a short transaction and get a 9% profit. And again, these would mean that you have to spend for these processes. And this part that I mark, you could get a good profit in low time frame. And here was a growth that had reached one of the most important supports of this currency code, and we are just a seller there, and we could make a lot of profit for the short trade after my planning. It is very important to show you exactly the level of resistance that I have, and in the future you can have good trades on this level. Well, we would go back to our suffering box, and we could sell on the roof and sell at 50% left on the floor. I mostly tell my friends not to take risks and manage your own transaction, and everyone has a trading system. And we would get a 7% profit, and we would sell the next deal on the ceiling again, and we would get an 11% profit. This time we would go to the bottom of suffering, and in this part that I specified, we could buy again and get an 8% profit. And we could buy again and get an 8% profit. Well, now you might ask yourself, what should we do now? As you can see, the price of Doge has dropped sharply and marrow support has broken down and hit a very strong support in the 0.12 area. As you can see, you have seen this level several times, which raises the level of credibility of this level very much, and many transactions can be made on this level. Doge, now this trend line has gone up with a strong candlestick, and now we have to wait for the pipe to be completed and enter at low time, so friends must be careful that the pullback must be done after entering the body. Thank you very much for the end of the video. You were with me to say goodbye to the video.